Now you want to let the glue sit for about 20 to 30 minutes or
'Cause you're there. Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh love. I don't really care if you don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my beauty space. If you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Natashia. How are you doing today? In today's video, I did want to do a step-by-step of how I apply my false lashes. If you're not used to applying makeup every single day, you may struggle with applying false lashes. So if you guys want to see how I apply my false lashes, meaning step-by-step of how I do this, please keep watching. Let's go ahead and get this party started. Now, the lashes that I will be using today are wispy lashes. Those are one of my faves. I did pick up the Wispy for Days. Now in this Pro Lash Pack, you do get petite wispies as well as regular wispy lashes. And I think I got this from TJ Maxx for around $14.99. So I have a ton of lashes to use for these upcoming tutorials, which I'm super excited about. The first thing you want to do before applying your lashes is grabbing some mascara. You want your lashes to have something kind of to hold on to. So I'm gonna grab my L'Oreal. This is the Voluminous mascara, one of my faves. You guys know how I feel about L'Oreal. Now you're gonna apply mascara to one eye at a time. And I actually have pretty long lashes, so this is without mascara and this is with mascara. The tweezers I'm going to use are from Eyelashes. This is to help apply your lashes directly to the lash line. I really love this tool. I use it a lot. And I also have some scissors from Eyelashes because you do sometimes have to cut your lashes if they're too long. So I am gonna cut the lash. Now you always wanna cut from the ends because this is the longest part of the lash. You never wanna cut from the front because it starts out shorter and it gets longer by the end. So I'm just gonna cut off just a little portion of the lash, and they actually have like a little tiny bit of the band in the front, so I'm just gonna cut that off as well. If you don't cut that off, it will kind of mess with like your tear duct and it'll just be uncomfortable basically. I am using the lash glue that came in this set. It squirted right out. Oh, there's like a lot of bubbles. Okay. Oh, and I'm just grabbing my tool from Eyelash. This is how I hold it. I place the lash just like this. Now you want to let the glue sit for about 20 to 30 minutes, you want the glue to sit for about 20 to 30 seconds. You don't just want to apply this to your lash line right away. Your eyes are going to start watering like crazy and your lashes are never going to dry. So you want to give this glue time to get a little tacky. You can lightly blow on the lash. When I'm working with a client, I do not blow on the lash. I usually just go like this. I'm going to take my tool from Eyelash. This is going to help you apply your lashes directly to your lash line. Now for me, I have to look down into a mirror. And I use this tool to kind of bend the lashes, make sure that they blend in with my natural lashes. And while I let this dry, let me apply some mascara. And now I'm gonna apply these lashes right on top. Look down into your mirror. Kind of bend the lash so it blends in with your real lashes. Just press your natural lashes into the falsies. Now that both of my lashes have been applied, I'm gonna put some mascara on my lower lashes just to kind of make everything blend together. Go back in with some mascara and blend your real lashes in with the falsies. False lashes for me just helps amplify my look, and especially if I'm gonna wear my hair pulled back and I'm just wearing a cute little lip color, I do like to make my eyes pop just a little bit more. So this is how I apply my false lashes. Leave a comment down below if this video was helpful for you. Of course, you guys know I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my videos. You guys know I definitely appreciate the support. Please do not forget to thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Also, in the comments below, who is your favorite lash brand? Who do you typically buy from? Until my next video, you guys know I miss you guys when I'm not here. I love you guys for all the support, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Baby, we can do this all